Hey everyone, I thought I'd record a little 30-second PSA. No editing, but just a reminder that machine tools can bite. And the last place you want to end up during COVID times is accident and emergency, or the emergency room for the Americans in the room. Um, I was moving the table on this up last night just to measure the height underneath it. I have a lawnmower and crap stored under there. And so I was wailing on this guy, which is the knee crank, cranking it up as fast as I could. For anyone that's used a Bridgeport, you know that the knee crank is not retained on the spindle. It engages with these dogs so that you can disengage it and leave it dangling. And it's also a crank purely so that you can hang stuff off the front of the table and the crank won't get in the way. Anyway, it came off as I was cranking it. And because I was cranking it, what happens was it turned into a whip like that. That end came round and smashed me in the face. Right there. Split my lip open, busted the end off a tooth. And yeah, I was more terrified of the thought of ending up in A&E than I was of the blood coming out of my face. Now I'm A, more terrified of the dentist because he's a dentist and what he's going to do, and B, I just feel stupid because it was a stupid error. I wasn't concentrating and I wasn't paying attention, and I had my face too far down, and I was cranking this faster than I needed to because I thought I'll just quickly do this and then I'll go back up to the house and have dinner. So yeah, dinner was soup once I'd stopped bleeding. Anyway, so a reminder to you, don't do that. I think a powered knee might be my next modification to this mill. That is after I get it working properly. Anyway, there you go. A quick 2-minute PSA. Stay safe in the shop. Try not to bash yourself in the face with anything heavy, or drop anything on a limb, or chop anything off, or, try to keep the claret inside. That's it for now. I'll catch you all next time.